What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today it's Saturday and me and Charlotte are just going for a drive. Well, we're going to go to some blue reef aquarium thing, which is basically just a massive fish tank with seals and monkeys and sharks. But there used to be sharks. But that didn't happen because people have basically talked out of it and said it's a bit shit. So we're not going there, but we're going to go for a drive, and where we're going there is a river, so we'll probably end up going for a walk of some sort. Possibly. Do you think? Maybe. So, yeah, we're going to start driving.
Ride with me, even if I make mistakes. I need somebody to hold me down, not somebody that I can't replace.
Ride with me.
Life was really made for two. I'll be there when you need me near. You should know I'll be there for you.
Realize.
I'ma be right here.
Realize.
I'ma be right here.
Realize.
I'ma be right here. I'ma be right here. Yeah, I said it all before and I still feel the same. I'm finding trouble finding somebody that I really trust. It's hard when you're feeling like the world is out to get you, and nobody will respect you till they seeing you adjust to what? To the money, to the cars, to the crib, to the bars on the strip, to the ladies in the booth. I just wanna find something different instead of hearing the lies and then finding out the truth. Truth hurts, real talk, you know it's worth it. Weird type of feeling, in fact, it ain't perfect. Somebody had left you in the shade, somebody had left you in the grave. I ain't fucking with the phonies at all. Dip the spot, then I'm out, give my homies a call. Say she only installed, tryna hold my ass back, man, fuck that noise, she don't know me at all. Ride with me, even if I make mistakes. I need somebody to hold me down, not somebody that I can't replace.
Ride with me.
Life was really made for two. I'll be there when you need me near. You should know I'll be there for you.
Realize.
I'ma be right here.
Realize.
I'ma be right here.
Realize.
I'ma be right here.
Realize.
I'ma be right here. It's kinda hard to explain. It's kinda hard to explain. Light turned to shade, then it started to rain, and the woman that I dated left departed in pain. Like a father would say, every break is gonna make another broad in the game. Broaden your aim, don't get caught in the chain. Riding in pain ain't a part of your lane. You understand there's always more than what you got in the frame, you dig? Yeah, I know. Got a line road coming, so here I go. Gotta keep the shit smooth like a T.I. flow, while I fight for the future like a G.I. Joe. Yeah, but I ain't heading to war, and this shit is just a game, so I'm setting the score. Man, I said it before, people love to talk shit, then they smile in your face just to get in the door. Ride with me, even if I make mistakes. I need somebody to hold me down, not somebody that I can't replace.
Ride with me.
Life was really made for two. I'll be there when you need me near. You should know I'll be there for you.
Realize.
I'ma be right here.
Realize.
I'ma be right here.
Realize.
I'ma be right here. I'ma be right here.
So, guys, basically, me and Charlotte didn't end the vlog yesterday. We were too cold. My camera died when we had a fireworks display. Charlotte's currently hiding from the camera because she has her really cute little bobble hat on and she doesn't want to be seen wearing it. But it's the next day, so it's Sunday. Charlotte's going back home tomorrow morning, which I'm devastated about, as always, but we've got to get this next week out the way and done with. So, thank you for tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We didn't do a lot yesterday evening. We set a couple of fireworks off, but they weren't very great, to be perfectly honest with you. So that was pretty much it. And then today we've just been for Charlotte's grandma's for Sunday dinner and helping my uncle out in his garden. So, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Goodbye.